All right, for the next one, I've got 54x plus 30. And we're supposed to factor this. So when we say factor, we're implying that we're going to do prime factorization. And the easiest way for numbers, now you could think in your head, and it's not that hard, oh, it's 6. 6 is the greatest common factor, right? So if we think about the greatest common factor, it's 6. We could think of that in our head. But I'm going to go through the process because it's what you have to do in your upper level math. So the prime factorization, remember, prime factorization means we're going to think about prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So we're going to keep factoring until we're left with nothing but prime numbers. That's what prime factorization means. 6 times 9. 6 is 2 times 3, and then 9 is 3 times 3. So now I have nothing but prime numbers. Now for 30, I've got I got a sloppy handwriting. 6 times 5, and then 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, so what do they have in common? Well, I have a 2 here. That's good. And a 2 here. Over here I have a 3. Over here I have a 3. Greatest common. That's it. That's all they have in common. So I say 3 times 2 equals 6. So I did all that work to figure out that I could factor out a 6. Now I only have one x. So I can't factor out any x's. So now I got to think, what do I multiply to get 54x? Well, 6 times 9 is 54. And then I got to tack on the x. Now, to get a positive 30, I've got to multiply 6 by positive 5. So what's cool about this is sometimes it helps you out, right? If you go through the process and think about it. By the way, this is all we had to do. 5 is a prime number. In other words, I can't simplify anything else inside the parentheses. So I know that I did it right. You always want to double check this stuff inside the parentheses to see if you can factor something out, because you can make a mistake. Then you just factor it out.